This is how you can clone your voice to use with voice AI agents inside of High Level. Yes, you can actually clone your own voice and have a voice AI agent talk in your voice using High Level. It's all in one place, and let me show you how it works. So inside of our voice AI agent tab, we can create an agent from scratch or use an existing agent that we already have created. And when we get into the agent builder here, where we have our prompting and testing environment, we can see all the way at the top left, the voice selection. And we can click this. And then instead of picking one of the pre-made voices, we can click My Voices, add custom voice, and then clone right here. So we can then allow our computer to have access to our microphone. We can enter our voice name. We can then enter the provider, such as 11 Labs, and then we can either upload a file or we can record it right now. So we're going to record this right now. Make sure you are in a quiet room and recording preferably with some sort of microphone or even just on your phone if you want it to sound like you're actually on the phone. So let's do this. I'm just going to say some random phrases so we can get this done. Hey, my name's Andrew. I'm glad I'm able to talk to you. Welcome to High Level. I want to make sure that you're getting the best experience possible, so if you can just tell me a little bit about yourself, that would be really helpful. Thanks. All right, and we will see if that works. We can click confirm and then we'll click save, and this will upload that file that we just recorded so it can begin cloning our voice. Now, it does take a few minutes in order to actually clone the voice. It does depend on how long the file is. So that was a pretty short file, so it just finished. And all we have to do is we have to click clone voice, and then we can click save. And now this is attached to our agent. So we can go ahead and test this out by clicking start web call, and let's see how it sounds.
Hey, this is Andrew. I'm filming a video right now, but what's up?
Hey Andrew, this is Andrew. Did you know we're actually the same person?
Well, Andrew, that's quite the twist. If we're the same person, does that mean I'm talking to myself? This could get interesting. What's on your mind?
Yeah, let's go ahead and book an appointment for tomorrow. This is crazy.
Got it. Just to confirm, you're looking to book an appointment for tomorrow, which is Wednesday, June 3rd, 2026. Could you let me know the time you'd prefer?
Sure, I'll let you know later. That is crazy. That is absolutely insane. And that was done off of just a 17-second recording. So if you upload an even longer recording that's maybe a minute long, 2 minutes long, give it some common words and phrases that you would use on the phone. Oh my gosh, it is crazy, crazy good. And that's literally all you have to do. You can go in your High Level right now and go clone your own voice or your client's voices so they can use with their AI receptionists and make them sound however they want. So this is absolutely awesome. If you haven't tried this out yet, go into Voice AI, try this out for yourself. So if you want to set this up for yourself and you don't have a High Level account yet, just drop the word voice on this video. And of course, if you have any questions, just drop it in the comments. As always, my name is Andrew, and I'll catch you in the next one.